morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn It Bro. I hope you and your family members are safe during this tough time. Uh, Please take care of yourself and your family members, also your friends and relatives. Please take care of them. Let's go into the video. Today we are going to see the topic about how to check COVID-19 Tamil Nadu beds availability in hospital, be it normal beds or ICU beds or oxygen supported beds. In this pandemic, during this difficult time, if any of your relative or your friends and family members, if someone affected due to COVID-19, how we can check the hospital beds availability and how we can help them in finding the right hospital and getting admitted on the right time, because it is highly extremely difficult in current situation. If the condition of the patient is very critical and if we are unable to find the hospital, then we become very tensed and we become very nervous and we don't know what to do in the last moment. We cannot go to all the places physically to check the beds availability or the oxygen availability, the oxygen scarcity also, in our country. The scarcity is going around in the country. Everyone is not getting the oxygen. Everyone is purchasing oxygen from outside. People are getting treatment in the ambulance itself. So today I am going to show you one website on which you would be able to check the availability of the beds, the oxygen supported beds and beds with ICU, the vacant details, availability details, everything you would be able to find. You are seeing a website in front of me. The website is covidbeds.tnega.org. I will give this link in the description. If you will scroll down below, there would be option to select district. Whichever district you want to select, whether Chennai, Chengalpattu, Dindikkal, Madurai, whatever the district you want to select, you need to select that particular district, and it will ask government hospital, private hospital, with severe cases, with moderate cases. You can filter upon these options. uh, Mild cases you can untick and you can do a search, because for critical cases and for moderate cases only we would be requiring hospital admission. So you can, if you need, you can untick and you can do a search. Once you untick, it will automatically give you all the hospital list down below. If you keep on scrolling down, it will give you multiple hospital list where it will show the availability of the beds. You can see the first hospital is CHC Vatlagundu. It's showing normal beds 8 vacant and oxygen supported beds 20 vacant and ICU beds 0 vacant. In the vacant, there should be some numbers reflecting. It should not be 0. If it is 0, then that particular bed is not available in that hospital. So please make sure in the vacant list it is showing any number, not 0. And one more thing, on this you can filter, you can check for around 5 to 6 hospitals, and then in the hospital names mentioned below there would be a contact number. You can make a note down of the contact number, or you can go on Google and you can search with the hospital name and you can get the contact number. You can make a list of 5 to 6 hospital and you can call them and inquire them regarding the availability of. Still the availability is showing on this website, but to make sure that the right information is displayed here, you can call that particular hospital and you can check with them regarding the availability of the beds, and in whichever hospital the beds are available, oxygen supported beds are available, you can share that information to your relative and friends, and it would be very useful for them to go and get admitted as soon as possible without getting any kind of delay, because their health is more important. So today video was very useful, I think. Hope you guys learned a new thing, and you are ready to support and share this information to all your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in next video. uh, Please subscribe and support. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.